Well, we're out at Stewart Lake today. We're gonna get set up, punch a hole, get the tent set up and get fishing. So we'll see what we get this time. I borrowed this old auger. You hook it up to your truck batteries and it's electric. So we're gonna see how it cuts through the ice here. I've never used one before. I've only ever used a hand one and a gas one. So we'll check it out. Well, it doesn't have as much jam as I'd like it to, but it definitely works. Well, we're all set up inside. See if we can catch some fish today. Got the cot all set up, don't have my bedding set up yet. Sako thinks it's his bed. But yeah. Give you a little view of the lake. Here in the spring, we were camped right over there. That's in an earlier video. Some guys over there. There's another pickup on the far side right there. It's lunchtime, and while we're out fishing, figured I'd do a bit of a review on this little cooker that I got. It's a Fire Maple X3. I ordered it off Amazon, and it all comes together in this little pouch. So you have your main pot. Everything goes in, the handle folds out. So it has a little stand. And this is if you want to use a pot or a frying pan. And then the actual stove part itself. So I got this little 8-ounce tank, Woods brand from Canadian Tire. So you just screw the stove into it. Get it going on the stand. Actually holds it pretty straight. And then you just stick your pot on top. Just like that. And then you're good to go. You could boil some water. So we're gonna boil some water right now. I got some bowl of Mr. Noodles. So we'll see how long it takes to boil. It's -1 out today. It's a little bit windy, so I'm not sure what it is with the wind chill. It's a lot warmer than it has been. This pot that it comes with, to the top line, it says it's 0.8 of a liter. So we're gonna fill it up and see how long it takes to boil. It's all filled up with water. You can see right there, right up to the line, that's 0.8 of a liter. and then the far one down on the bottom says 0.4. So how you start the stove, it's got this little valve right here. Till you can hear it going. And right on this back side you got the little starter button. And there we go. So we're gonna set a timer and see how long it takes for this water to boil. Well, the water's boiling. It took almost 5.5 minutes to do. It's no jet boil, but for the price, it does what I need it to do. Got it on Amazon. I've used it a handful of times to boil water. I haven't cooked anything on a frying pan or anything yet. I'll have to try that out and let you know how it goes. But yeah, once this gets going, it can heat it up pretty quick. So we're gonna get lunch on the go here. Let that sit and we'll be eating lunch in no time. Well, the weather just decided to change on us. Got some snow and some pretty good wind going on, so fired up the generator to warm up the tent a little bit. Not that it's super cold out, but I'd rather be warm than cold. Well, we got some moose burger dogs for dinner. Well, the sun's gone down now. It's a full-on snowstorm outside, so I decided to hop on the cot. Sako's down there. We're gonna do some fishing from bed. Still haven't got anything. I had a couple bites just about an hour ago. We'll see if we get something. Got quite a bit of snow overnight. Still haven't caught a fish. I had a few bites late last night, but that's it. I don't know if I'm just in a bad spot. This is kind of the area I was told to go to. This is where we were catching them in the spring over on this side. But yeah, we got a good dusting of snow. I can't even see where I drove in yesterday. We're gonna fish for a few more hours and then pack up. We got some stuff to do back in town. So hopefully we can catch something before we leave. Packed pretty light on this trip, so another moose burger dog for breakfast. Breakfast for champions. Truck's all packed up. We're gonna head back into town. No fish once again. That's kind of how it goes. You don't always catch them. Still had fun. It's starting to snow again, so I think we're gonna hit the road. And yeah, we'll see you next time.